What if I told you you can be retired, still travel, celebrate loved ones, and not spend a lot of money? Well, this weekend, my sister and I are in Nashville, Tennessee, celebrating her birthday. And we are going to show you exactly what we did to travel because both of us are retired, period. And I want to show you how we save money and travel at the same time. So if that's something that you're interested in, then come on in. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I make a video every week about retirement, health and wellness, and my Christian journey. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to subscribe. Look who I see, one of my subscribers. Say it.
Like and subscribe. She said, say it.
Look,
There's our commercial. There's our commercial. Absolutely.
Okay, y'all, I warmed up my food. And how did I warm it up in the airport? We are still in the airport. I plugged this up, and I made some rice. Do you see the smoke? You probably didn't see it. Yeah. And it took about an hour for it to warm up. And when I tell, what is this, chicken? Look at it.
I see.
My sister warming hers up to her warmer. It's just taking a little longer.
Yeah.
And this is how I have.
Is it? Wow.
And this is another way that we're saving money while traveling because we don't have to purchase anything to eat.
And then you can eat
I did,
healthier.
and then you can say it again.
So you can eat healthier.
Yeah,
because
because you know what you used to eat at home and stuff, right? I did have to get a water, pay like $3.15 for the water. It's not the kind of water I like to drink, but anyway. This trip means a lot to me. It's not just about being in Nashville, it's about celebrating my sister. She's turning 71 this weekend. And it's so important, even though you're retired, is to celebrate milestones with the people that you love. One thing retirement has taught me is that time is so valuable. You can replace money, but you cannot replace special moments like this. I got my sister. We are walking because we are in Nashville. We took an Uber from the church to get something to eat. And now we are walking to go to the store. These are the streets that we are walking on. Walking to get to the store. Tina, I think it's up here. How are you enjoying your birthday?
get closer over here.
How are you enjoying your birthday?
This chick got me doing. But it's good, but I'm just saying.
We is having a ball out here in these streets. All right, I'll be back.
Hey, we're in the streets for real.
No, for real, we really in the streets, y'all. All right. Y'all, we are in Nashville, Tennessee, celebrating her birthday for the weekend. Y'all, we sitting at a whole bus stop. Like hobos, like we ain't got no home. But
With our bag.
But let me show y'all what we really doing. Hey y'all, should we get on the bus? Tink, come on, you ready to get on the bus? Y'all, we are, look at her sitting at the bus stop with all these bags like she ain't got no home. And then she didn't want to get on the bus. Come on, get on the bus, Gus. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ernestine. Happy birthday to you. You have any words you want to say for your birthday?
Thank you. Thank you for the birthday song.
Hey y'all, listen, she mad because I had us walking all the way from down there. We walked for 10 minutes, I think it was like 10 minutes, to the Dollar Tree to get some water. I remember when me and my sister were younger, we were just so busy working, raising children, and just having big, huge adult responsibilities. But now that we're retired. We no longer have those responsibilities. And I want to show you how you can do the same thing. Now we have the opportunity to slow down and enjoy relationships. Now let's talk about what this trip is going to cost. I told my sister that she doesn't have to pay for anything but her food since it's her birthday. And I'm trying to keep this trip under $500. Our hotel and our car rental was paid by another friend. This is our hotel room, everyone. Oh, it has a nice refrigerator. Yeah. Oh, maybe I should open the other side, huh? Nice size refrigerator, Tina. We can put all our food in here. Mm-hmm. We have like a little kitchenette. Let me turn on some lights. Nice kitchenette. Oh, what's that, dishwasher? Yep. Now how you don't have to wash the dishes. And then this is nice. Yes, this is the bedroom. Say hi, family.
Hi.
Hey, this is the bathroom. Honey, this is cute.
Yeah, I like this one too.
Yeah, it's nice. Has a shower. What are you doing, Ernestine?
I'm fixing a breakfast bagel with some cream cheese.
Okay.
And my coffee. And my first cup of coffee.
Okay.
I gotta have that, y'all.
They have cereal. This is the stuff they have in the fridge. They also have different drinks. We have boiled eggs. Different coffees. Oh, that waffle looks so good. Waffle maker. So hold it up like this. Oh, there we go. See, I'm learning.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Looking good there, birthday girl, almost. Tomorrow, birthday girl. Our car rental. Nice. Nice car. I think it's a 20. What year is this? 2026. Awesome. We're going to eat out maybe once or twice.
I could just eat the baked beans and sausage.
Okay, this is the birthday girl tomorrow. We are at, see, where are we?
Longhorn.
We are at Longhorn in Nashville. We both got the salmon, potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Is it good?
It's delicious. This is how I like mine.
Oh, wow.
It's delicious.
All right, so I'll come back. But we brought most of our food from home. Okay, Tina, tell them what you brought.
This is spaghetti lasagna
And she
that I
froze
wrapped
it
up.
and it's in bags.
And then I baked some sweet potato. I baked sweet potato.
Mm-hmm.
And I got some chicken breast.
See, that look good.
I know. And then I got some baked beans with sausages.
Ooh.
Then I bought me some peaches.
Okay, all right.
And then I bought me a flat peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
that she didn't eat on the plane. Y'all, I'm making my grits in the hotel room. Getting ready for going out today. Today is my sister's birthday. You want some grits for your birthday?
Oh, thank you.
You good? These are the grits that I brought from home that I'm making right now. And these are my sausages, y'all. So we're having breakfast before we get ready to go out. I'll come back and show y'all the birthday shenanigans that I got planned for my sister today. Pray the Lord. It's so important that if you want to travel, get a credit card that you're responsible person to pay off every month that will give you reward points. That, I promise you, that is how I am able to travel, because I don't want to pay for airline tickets. I think we pay like $5 or $6 a piece for our airline tickets. If you're interested in traveling in retirement, this is one of the ways that you can do it. My friend really helped make this trip possible. She volunteered to pay for our hotel, our car rental, and one of our conference tickets. So the only thing that I've really paid for so far is one of the one conference ticket, and that was only $200. So I'm trying to keep this whole trip under $300. And it's such a blessing to have friends that would do such a thing. Because this year for her birthday, I wanted to give her an experience instead of a whole lot of gifts. Even though I have given her a couple of gifts, I still wanted to show her a good time in Nashville. This is where the birthday shenanigans started. Listen, when I walked up to the conference center, right, I seen all of these people outside. They were just taking pictures and having themselves a hallelujah good time. So what I do, I yell, I say, hey, everybody, today is my sister's birthday. I said, come on, everybody, let's sing happy birthday. So they started singing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Tina. Happy birthday to you. I know at first she was a little bit embarrassed because, you know, she's a little introvert. But baby, when I tell you she started having a good time, they started coming up to her, hugging her, telling her happy birthday. And I remember, I don't know these people. I just seen them outside and I started talking to them because it was my sister's birthday. I wanted to do some shenanigans on her birthday. So make sure that she have a great time. And when I tell you it turned out so good, it turned out so amazing. So listen, don't be scared to have shenanigans because they just might turn out just as good as this did. It was amazing. You have anything to say to your fans? Yeah. Beautiful. God bless y'all. And then somebody gave her a little gift. And that was so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. Shenanigans. This is why I tell you retirement planning is not just for saving money. Let me stop right here and introduce myself. My name is Judy Hepburn. I know it's going to be so hard for you to believe that all of this is 67 years old. Y'all, I got a birthday coming up in August. I'm going to be 68 years old. And I just want to show you that even though you're retired, I know my channel is called Broke and Retired, but it's with a question mark. Do you want to be retired and broke? I know you don't. I know you want to travel like your girl. So I want to show you exactly how I'm able to travel in retirement and show you that you can still live your best life. Come on now. I know you didn't work all of these years and get to retirement and can't travel. Come on, I'm going to show you exactly how this trip cost me under $300. Because retirement is also about building your relationships and finding opportunities. If my friend had not paid for our hotel and car rental, it would have definitely cost me more money. But because I built that relationship with a friend, it saved me money. Here's a retirement mindset that I've learned. Many retirees think travel is no longer possible. It's only not possible if you don't make it happen. When I want to travel, I do my research and make sure that I stay within my budget, but I still travel. Sometimes you have to change the way you think about retirement. If you always saying, oh, I don't have the money to retire. Oh, I can't retire because I can't retire. That's the mindset that you're going to always have. So if you change your thinking about traveling in retirement, I guarantee you'll be able to do it. Every trip does not have to be a luxurious cruise or an expensive resort. You can do like what we did. Get with someone else, split the cost, and you can still have a great time. A weekend getaway, lifetime memories. We're only here for a couple of days, and I'm hoping that my sister remember this trip for the rest of her life. Happy birthday! It's her birthday, guys. We're at Hookie's in Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, Ernestine, it's your birthday. What do you have there?
Steak and mashed potatoes and
T-bone steak, mashed potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. How you feeling?
I'm tired right now, but I had a great birthday. It was great. Really, I really enjoyed this weekend.
Say hi to my friend Heidi. Well, Heidi, say hi to my friend. So
Hello.
all right, so we're going to go ahead and enjoy our food. Don't compare your retirement or traveling with anybody else's. Because what I've learned in retirement, and I've been retired since 2020, is that everybody is going to do traveling different. Everybody is going to do retirement different. Do what fits your budget. I am so glad that I can still make memories with my sister. I don't want to live and have regrets. Oh, I wish I had done this. Oh, I wish we had done that. No, I want to do everything that I can possibly do right now. Because a birthday gift don't always have to come in a box. It can be in the form of an experience. Because sometimes the best gift is an experience. Let me ask you a question. Put down in the comments, who do you want to spend more time with? Please let us know, because if you're sitting there thinking that you can't retire or that you can't travel, I want you to know that you are not alone. There are so many people that feel the same way that you do. Stop waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time to do what you want to do. Do it right now. Because life changes, health changes, and circumstance change. Do what you want to do and do it right now. Let me tell you about this Nashville experience. I'm excited to be in Nashville with people that I care about, and that's why I want to take you along on this trip with me. We are attending CC Winans conference, but we are also going to make time to have a whole lot of fun. Retirement should include learning, exploring, and connecting. I want to encourage you. Don't put your life on hold. If you want to travel somewhere, start planning for that trip today. Ask another retiree to join you so that you can split the hotel, so you can split the car, so you can split everything so that it won't cost you as much as you're thinking it will. Retirement is not just about surviving, it's about creating meaningful moments on a budget. Make sure you're going through your budget, figuring out how much money that you can comfortably spend on a vacation, and do that. If you could take a trip with someone that you love for under $500, put down in the comments, who would that be? And where would you go? Did you enjoy your trip? How was your birthday trip? How was your birthday trip?
Oh, you guys, that was a workout. It was a blessing, though. I enjoyed every minute of my birthday weekend.
Y'all, listen, my sister turned 72 on Saturday, and I brought her to Nashville to enjoy her birthday. So I think I did a halfway decent
She
job.
did a good job.
So if you're interested in traveling and you're retired, make sure you watch this video and share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.